which is modern-day Croatia. I grew up and studied physics and engineering, but I never received a degree in the 1870s, and I gained practical experience in the 1880s working at Telephony and Continental Edison in the new electric power industry. In 1884, I immigrated to America where I became a naturalized citizen. I worked for a short period at Edison Machine Works in New York City before I struck out on my own. With the help of my partners to finance and market my ideas, I set up laboratories and companies to make a range of electrical and mechanical devices. My alternating current, AC, induction motor, and related polyphase AC patents licensed by Westinghouse Electric in 1888. After that, my patent that I sold earned me a considerable amount of money, and I became the cornerstone of the polyphase system, which eventually marketed. You are probably wondering what a polyphase is. Well, a polyphase system is a means of distributing alternating current electrical power where the power transfer is constant during each electrical power cycle. Attempting to develop my inventions that I could patent and market, I conducted a range of experiments with mechanical oscillators, electrical discharge tubes, and early X-ray imaging. I also built one of my finest inventions, a wireless control bow, one of the first ever exhibited, in fact. Then I became a well-known inventor and demonstrated my achievements to celebrities and wealthy patrons at my lab and was noted for my showmanship at public lectures. Throughout the 1980s, I pursued my ideas for wireless and electric lighting and worldwide wireless electric power distribution and high voltage and high frequency power experiments in New York and Colorado Springs. In 1893, I made pronouncements of the possibility of wireless communication with my devices. I tried to put these ideas to practical use in my unfinished Wardenclyffe Tower project, an intercontinental wireless communication and power transmitter, before I sadly ran out of funding before I could complete the project. I experimented with a series of inventions in the 1910s and the 1920s with varying degrees of success. Having spent all of my money, I lived in a series of New York hotels, leaving behind unpaid bills. My work fell into relative obscurity following my death until 1960, when the General Conference on Weight and Measures named the SI unit of magnetic flux density the Tesla in my honor. There has been resurgence in popular interest in me since the 1990s. For example, Tesla, the car producer factory, makes fully electric cars named after me. And thank you.